Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today I'm going to be talking about my in-depth wash routine using Curlsmith's 3-step detox system, and that includes the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer, and that follows with the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic, and the last one is the Postbiotic Calming Conditioner, and then my little scrubber. So I would recommend getting this. It just helps your hair get deeper clean. I mean, if you're like using your fingers, then so be it, but I like using this. I just feel like my scalp is a lot more cleaner, especially when you feel like you have a lot of buildup. And this detox system, sorry, my hair is kind of a mess, but this 3-step detox system is amazing. I absolutely love it. Like, I don't think my scalp has ever felt cleaner, if that makes sense, because it just focuses strictly on your scalp, and it's pretty amazing. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
So first things first, I am making sure my hair is fully saturated so it makes it easier for the products to apply, since on most products you need to have really wet hair to get the product working really good. So the first product that I'm using is the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. Prebiotics are nutritive compounds that feed on good bacteria and on the scalp and fortify the skin's microbiome. And so some of the ingredients in this product are amazing, like the fermented rice water, and has organic ginger root as well, dragon fruit juice, and organic wild nettle, and of course prebiotics. So if you know anything about rice water and you've seen on YouTube where a lot of girls using it, it helps promote hair growth. And the reason why I like it so much in this product is because if you've ever done it yourself, you know it's a hassle having to wait for 24 hours to let it ferment, the smell of the rice water on your hair, and it's just a mess. So the fact that this product has it already is a thumbs up. So the next product that I'm following up with is the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic. Probiotics are good bacteria, microorganisms that strengthen skin's natural barrier and control the microbiome. So you can apply this on top of the primer, and you just scrub really well so it can break down the dirt and build up. So some of the ingredients in this product are apple cider vinegar, organic ginger root, dragon fruit juice, an eco-friendly scrub, and wild nettle. And I have to give a shout out to Curlsmith because in this product they have the apple cider vinegar, and so that's another like do-it-yourself thing, like apple cider vinegar rinse to like help with build-up and stuff like that. And they literally put it in the product, so we don't have to go through the hassle of doing that. Again, the smell of that being in your hair, and you cannot smell it in this product at all. So shout out to Curlsmith I feel like they listen to what consumers want and put it in their products to make it a lot easier, so that's a good thing. And so when you're washing your hair, you just kind of want to stay at your roots. You just get a really good clean. Do not scrunch your hair up and get your whole head. You want just to focus on the scalp, and then when you're rinsing out your hair, it'll just rinse down through your whole head, so it kind of touches your strands, but you do not want to physically wash your whole head unless you have to. So that's another tip. That's like a big curly girl no. Do not wash your whole head if you do not need to. And another tip is when you have buildup in your scalp, that can be a factor on why your hair is not growing how you want to. So if you're trying to grow your hair and you feel like it's not growing how you want, do a clarifying shampoo and see if that helps. It's usually a factor on why your hair is not growing. Now I'm going in with the Postbiotic Calming Conditioner. Postbiotics are the good beneficial extracts produced by good bacteria. They are key to regulating the skin's microbiome, and you need to apply a generous amount to your hair. And usually you're not supposed to put conditioner on your roots and like edges and stuff, but since this is a kit that's focused mainly on your scalp, it is okay. And so you should let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes to rebalance and moisturize the pH levels on your scalp. And so some of the ingredients in this one is active postbiotics, hyaluronic acid, peppermint oil, organic lavender, tea tree leaves, and organic thyme oil. So another good ingredient, oh my gosh, they are on it with these ingredients, is the hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a moisturizing miracle. Just 1 gram of it can hold up to 6 liters of water, and it's great to help restore scalp moisture and rehydrate dry hair without weighing it down. Amazing. And so, tea tree oil and mint essential oils are widely known for their cooling and antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which help rebalance and refresh the scalp. Oh my goodness, Curlsmith did their thing with this detox kit. I am very, very, very impressed. And like, you can literally feel the cooling sensation on your scalp, and it feels so good. And so now I am just combing through my hair from the bottom of my hair to the top, and I'm you can see me holding like the middle of my hair, so I'm not pulling and tugging on my hair too much. I'm not really big on finger detangling because my hair gets super tangly, and so I have no choice but to use a brush. So I'm just making sure I get through every strand and get the product through. And then, like I said, I'm gonna let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes, depending. Sometimes I'll let it sit on for 5, just to let it work its magic. So now I'm just washing out the Prebiotic calming conditioner. And yes, so another thing about Curlsmith, they do not use sulfates, parabens, silicones, mineral oils, and DEA. And it's tested on friends and family, never on animals, so it's cruelty free. All of their ingredients are organic, and it's sustainable for all hair types as well. So now I am finishing with the Hydro Cream Soothing Mask, and this deep conditioner is for all hair types and scalp types, and it deeply hydrates, balances, and calms and restores. This mask brings softness, shine, and elasticity to the hair. And some of the ingredients inside this product are hyaluronic acid, again, cedarwood extract, organic lavender, green tea extract, and organic thyme. So you want to leave this mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. And if you want to let it sit on a little longer, that's totally okay. I let it sit on for about 30 minutes, and you can also leave it in your hair and for even longer. It just all depends on what you want to do. And so I'm going to leave it on for about 30 minutes, and then I will wash it out. And I'm using a clip instead of a scrunchie because I want less minimal tugging on my hair as possible. So I'm just twisting around and putting the clip in my hair, and I'm gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes, and now I'm just going to wash the deep conditioner out of my hair. And about the scrub, I wanted to mention is made up of 100% natural volcanic particles. Its texture is incredibly fine, so it can penetrate through the roots effectively and exfoliate the scalp and wash without leaving any residue. Wow, that's just amazing. I feel like Curlsmith just goes above and beyond, especially with this detox kit. I have not tried their other kit that they have, but this kit is definitely it. So you can purchase the detox kit from curlsmith.com. You can also purchase it off Ulta. I personally recommend, if you are going to buy it, actually they sell it separately, but it is cheaper to buy it in the kit. So if you are going to buy it with the kit. And usually Curlsmith has like a discount code, or Ulta always has their discount codes as well. So now I'm just looking at my hair and how restored and how shiny and how clarified my scalp feels. So this detox is definitely to try if you have not. So now I'm just kind of looking through my hair. So if you like videos like this, when I talk about certain products, just let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.